Hello everyone, I am Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATV coming at you with the Fill Easy Oil Filler from Dirt Tricks. Alright, so for all you KTM and Husqvarna owners out there, I've got a cool little product that I want to share with you guys. This is the Fill Easy Oil Filler coming from Dirt Tricks. Now what this is designed to do is just simply make your oil changes a little bit quicker, a little bit cleaner, and take away the fear of spilling oil when you are doing that. The way they work is really simple. You can see here on the bottom that they have threads. So when you take your oil cap off, all you're gonna do is just thread this in. So I'm sure most of you out there, including myself, use a funnel when you do your oil change, and funnels work great. The only issue that you see a lot of times is while you're pouring the oil, sometimes if you pour it too quickly, it can start to overflow and that's when it spills out. So with these, because they thread in, and you can see it has an O-ring here on the top, well, if you were to pour it too quickly and it wants to overflow, it's not gonna spill out. So it's just a nice little tool to have to make your oil changes quick, easy, and also, again, not worry about spilling. Also what I like too is that typically with a funnel, when you're pouring your oil, after you're done pouring the oil, you gotta sit there and hold the funnel for a minute, let the excess oil drain out. Well with these, you can just screw it in, pour the oil, and then you can literally just walk away for a minute or two, let it all the excess drain out, and then go back, unscrew it, put your cap back on, and you're good to go. They're nice and small, so they're easy to put in your toolbox or take with you if you need to. And these are made from built aluminum, so very durable, and as you can see, they do come in 3 different colorways. And that is it. That is the Fill Easy Oil Filler coming from Dirt Tricks. Again, nice little accessory to have for you KTM and Husqvarna owners out there. And also keep in mind that for oil changes, if you want to do a one-stop shop, we do have our Tusk oil change kits. Now these are machine specific, and when you're picking these up, what's nice is they're going to come with everything you need to do an oil change, including your oil filter. They're also going to have a couple different brands of oils and the weight that your service manual recommends that you can choose from. So it just makes it easy to make sure you get everything you need for an oil change. If you guys have any questions about these, you can comment below, give us a call, or chat live online. We'll get your questions answered. And to pick yours up, it is real simple. You can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And in Dirt Tricks, these guys are a great company, also make a lot of cool products, so make sure to check those out as well. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.